Hey, it's time to check out this 36-inch 13 by 8 HD lace front knotless box braided wig. I picked this girl up from Amazon. She has a clear and absolutely natural square knotless design, and she does have pretty good lace front space as far as the HD lace area. 13 by 8 ain't bad at all. She comes with premium transparent lace and is natural looking. She also comes with handmade double lace in the back. I have mine in black, but this wig is very lightweight. She's made of Japan-made synthetic fibers.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, cause I just don't know. 'Cause I